Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin message, how to pin any message on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First hold on it like this, and here you will find pin message. Click on it and click yes, and that's it, it will be pinned. And that's how to pin any message on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.